Let's face it, if you're here watching this video right now, you're sick and tired of your video conversion. I was in your shoes not long ago, but I discovered a product that changed everything for me. And I'm sure it'll solve your problem too. Please, watch the following video and then thank me after that.
Hi, my name is Bill Morrow, and if you're watching this video right now, you're probably searching online for affiliate marketing business, internet marketing, or something relating to working from home. Well, look no more. You have reached exactly what you want. This is exactly what it is. You're in the right place, and I explain exactly how to connect with the affiliate marketing in the next few minutes, or even less. On my channel, I always release videos all about affiliate marketing and internet marketing and working from home. So consider subscribing to that. Yeah. Let's get to the body, the content. First of all, there are 3 secrets in affiliate marketing, basically. The first is, number 1, affiliate marketing is the best system you can run, you can do to gain an income, because the headaches and everything else about the quality and the systems are all belonging to the manufacturer, the people who make the system. All you have to do is to get traffic to it, and I will show you how to actually get traffic to it. The second is that once you set up your business in affiliate marketing, it will virtually run on its own, because it's in the background. You learn how to do all the bits and pieces, you learn how to do everything, and then whoosh, away it goes. So, secret number 3, the main thing is you must have the correct system. If you fiddle around with any old bits and pieces or whatever, or try this and try that, as we have all done over the years, we've all dabbled in all sorts of things, you need the correct system, the one that works from front to end and completely satisfies what you want to do and makes a complete business out of it. And that's exactly what I've got for you. It has taken me 9 years, well, probably about 9 years, to actually find this correct system. I've wasted so much money, time and effort over the period of time looking for something like this, and now I found it. The system is by Aaron Chen, and it is called the Invincible Marketer. Simple. Invincible, so that when you learn it, you learn everything about the marketing and you become an invincible marketer. So that's exactly what it is. So, oh, he's looking at notes. Would you believe it? Of course I look at notes. If it's not all in here, it has to be on here. So I'll give her a chance. So, if you enjoyed what you saw today, there's a lot more to come. Once you get on, click on the link below in the description, you will get more and more information all about this subject, and that's what I really want to do. And I can promise you that I will help you right to the end. That is, to your success. My success is here. Now it's a case of your success, and that's what we'll work on. So, read the details below, click on the link below, and I will see you inside, where we will then discuss a lot more of the interesting things.
The only difference between the winners and the losers in life is one simple thing: the willingness to take massive action. You have that opportunity here today.